Hi and welcome to this picker card general reading. Today we are asking our spirits and guides what is the truth about this connection. Will they reach out? This is my first tarot card reading on YouTube, so please do like, share and subscribe to show your appreciation and support to my channel Soulful Intuition, and if you like it. So let's start with the reading. We have three groups. Group 1 is the black tourmaline, group 2 is the blue laced agate, and group 3 is the jade. So please choose any one of the groups in your own unique way, and when you have chosen your group, check out this description box below for the timestamps. So sit back and enjoy your reading. If the group does not resonate with your situation, please check out other groups. This is a general tarot card reading. It may or may not resonate with your situation, so you can check another group. So let's start with group 1. Hi group 1, this is black tourmaline. Let's begin with your reading. So let's see what is the truth about your connection and other things. Will they reach out or not? What they feel about this connection. Okay, let's go. The first card is the Hierophant. Second is the Queen of Cups. The Page of Pentacles. The Lovers. Beautiful reading, guys. Already this is a very strong reading. We have two major arcanas here. The Hierophant definitely says that this is going towards marriage. Lovers card, so it's a soulmate connection, twin flame soulmate connection, and you have a very strong bond to each other. You are very see, they don't want to waste any energy, and they just want to give you this offer of love. They want to, it's small, but they do want to move forward with you. The connection is very strong. They want you go with the traditional way. They want to get married to you. So let's see what else we can get. We have the Prince of Wands, lot of passion for you. They want to just rush in. Ace of Pentacles, they want to give you the stability. We have the High Priestess. They are not telling you everything right now. They are keeping their things to themselves. They won't. We have the Seven of Wands. They are defending themselves. Yes, this is not very. They surely are keeping things to themselves, but I don't think lot of. There's a little wait. They have to wait patiently. You have to wait patiently. But this is definitely a very loving connection, and I definitely think they'll reach out. Let's see some more clarity. Spirits, guides, please tell me, will they reach out? Please give me the so we have the Judgment, the Four of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Hermit. Yes, there is a wait. There is definitely a waiting period. They are contemplating right now. They are working on their pentacles. They are working the way through this. There's a lot of love and passion for you. There's the Knight of Prince of Wands, or the Knight of Wands. They want to come charging towards you, but they have some decisions to make. They are going to make those decisions, and they too are feeling lost and out in the cold without you. This is, yeah, but the judgment shows that this is going to be in your favor. This is definitely a very good connection, and you are just a little wait and patience is required on your part. Let's see some advice for you guys. Okay, let's see the advice from the Power of Love. Okay, we have 2 advice cards. Peacefulness. You recognize that balance, kindness and love bring calmness to your soul. So you just have to wait patiently for this. You don't have to hurry. Past. Through the power of love, you realize any stagnant situation on energy in order to transform your heart space. This is your advice, guys. Let's see. These are my own cards. See what is the advice for you. The first card out is show gratitude. If you have something beautiful and nice, show your gratitude. Thank you, spirits and guides, gods, whoever you believe in. Show gratitude. Tell them what all you are grateful to in your life. Every day, be grateful for 2 things that you have good in your life. Feel no anger, resentment towards anyone or anything to achieve peace of mind. You need this peace of mind. Maybe you guys are in your 5 of Cups mode. You are not thinking through and you are very impatient about this situation. And so I think your spirits and guides are definitely want you to have this peace of mind by showing gratitude and feeling no anger and resentment towards others. Very nice advice, guys. Maybe this is what you require at the moment right now. So now we'll take few alphabets. I hope you can see in this. And we'll take few numbers. So let's see. The alphabets here are A, K, N, again one more A. We have M. I hope this is M. Let me see. This is W. We have R and we have B. So these are the alphabets. They might be your initials or something that relates to you and your person. We have few numbers here, guys. 6 might be your date of birth, their date of birth, something very significant in your life, some date. You can match them. 2 6s, 3, 7, and 1. So these are your numbers, guys. Okay, now we'll take few charms. Okay. Oh, right off the bat you have 5. Again one more number, something very significant and very close out of those numbers, 5 and 2. Here we have a zodiac sign, Cancer. If you can see clearly here, Cancer. This might be your or your partner's signature zodiac. And we have this rune of necessity, need, fiction and shadow. So something that could relate to you. We have a bike charm, guys. Maybe your person is a biker, or you'll both like bike rides. This is the key. So definitely you're going to get the key. They are the key of your heart, or you are their key to their heart, and this is going to open up opportunities for you both. This is a very positive sign. Okay, group 1, this was your reading. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my way. This is my first reading, so please be considerate. Thank you and bye. Hello, welcome group 2. This is Dule Saget for you. Let's begin the reading with the tarot. What is the truth about this connection? What is the situation right now? And will they reach out? What do they feel about you? Anything, spirits, guides, you can tell us about this connection. Please be kind and give us the right information. Queen of Wands. First card out. The second one is Ten of Wands. Then we have Three of Cups. And we have the Chariot. Very good cards, guys. We have Chariot here. We have Three of Cups, celebration. Queen of Wands. Your person is very passionate. They are very stable, secure. They have a lot of passion for you. They're an ideal person, but they do here. Ten of Wands shows there is a tough time between the connection. That's why you are here, maybe for the reading. For this reading, you are facing some challenges in your connection, but whenever you are together, it's the most happiest of time. Chariot shows movement further. This is going to go places. This connection has a potential to go further. And let's see what else we can get. Six of Swords, Nine of Wands, Ace of Swords and Nine of Cups. Definitely, guys, there's some truth and clarity coming up. There is victory, definitely. Six of Swords is showing that they are going to fight for this connection. Nine of Wands, they are defending themselves. They are putting efforts to come forward and make this happen. They will definitely come to you with the clarity and truth you are seeking. And there's a lot of happiness. They are the movement forward. And Nine of Cups, they are looking towards a happy future. Let's see what else we can get in spirits and guides. What else we can get for this connection. Group 2. What else for group 2? Okay, let's see. We have the High Priestess, the Nine of Cups, Seven of Cups and the Fool. See, beautiful reading, guys. High Priestess, this is Nine of Cups, they want the happiness with you. They want stability, the happy home, happy life, happy family with you. The future looks very good with you. They are very positive about this, though they are dangling a little bit right now. They are right now not in a position to come, but they do want to take a leap of faith towards you, towards this connection. All these three cards show that they want to make it through. let's take some advice now. I have this power of activation cards. Let's see what this shows. Loyalty. Your reliability demonstrates your loving sense of devotion and consistency of being. Lovely card, guys. The second one is present. You live in the moment and are able to bring forth the energy of love in your current circumstances. See, this is the advice, guys. You have to live in the present moment, and loyalty. Definitely they are loyal to you, you are loyal to them, and this is going to manifest. This connection is surely going to manifest and bring out the desired result what you are looking for. So these are my own cards. Oh my god, the card wants to talk. So the first card out is the Ascendant Masters are present to serve you on your path. Lovely card. It just fell out to tell you that they are there for you, to help for you. The second one is loving surrender to your judgment and expectations, and lovingly surrender to your judgment and expectations, and your life will be magically transformed. Beautiful. This is the advice for you. Just surrender to the situation and things will fall accordingly. This is happening, guys. This spread is very positive. This is happening for you. There's no doubt about it. You just have to have a little patience and you have to wait for their next move. And I think this shows that it's not going to take too much of time. So let's see what they want to tell you. I could lose myself in your eyes. I think they love your eyes and they want to be lost in them. I am a different person than you remember. They have changed and they want to make things better with you. I want to kiss you. They are very passionate. The first card out was Queen of Wands, and they do want to kiss you. Next one is I have never felt like this before. There are two cards right here. I'll take both of them. I can't come forward right now. There's just a little more delay in this. Let's see the numbers and alphabets. I'll take few numbers now. Okay. And I'll take few charms also. Lot of charms for you guys. So let's see what are the alphabets first. We have V, M, O, Y. We have P, L. I hope you can see, guys. Okay, and this is A. We have a K, D, J. These are the alphabets for you. This must be initials of your person. Maybe you can make a name out of them. However you can. 2, 5, 7, 8, 5, 0 and 1. These are the numbers for you. Date of birth, any significant number when you have met, maybe your anniversary date, when you both were together. Okay guys, we'll see into the charms. We have a naughty charm. So maybe they are very playful and naughty. We have 2 rings. That is, they are looking forward to getting married, engaged. We have the key. We had the key in the first group 1 also. So this is the key to their heart. They have found you both have found the key, and this relationship is definitely going forward. We have 3 zodiacs here: Taurus, Scorpio. This must be your partner or you or someone who is very significant in your life, and Virgo. We have 3. We have the money charm. This is very abundant, as you. This is going to be a lucky connection for you. We have the yin and yang. You are the yin and yang for the both of you are for each other. This is the snowflake. Maybe you're going to get your wish through by winter. And we have the Ganesha charm. Very lucky, very auspicious. This is my favorite charm, and he's very lucky for me as well. We have the abundance charm. This is Indian goddess Lakshmi. So this is abundance charm. So we have 2 runes, that is Eza for the relationships, and this is twin god rune, and the other one is the Ingus. This is a rune for fertility, true love, music and harmony. This is very good. This is a very flexible person. Your person is very flexible. Maybe you are very flexible. The rubber charms tells me that. So this is your reading, guys. Thank you for being here, and please like, share and subscribe. This is my first reading, so please be a little considerate, and thank you. Hello group 3, this is Jade. Let's begin with your reading with the tarot. Let's see what is the truth about your connection, what to look forward to, and will they reach out. We have a flipper. We have 3 flippers. 8 of Wands, lovely. 7 of Cups, and we have 9 of Wands. And we have the Ace of Pentacles. So there's communication coming up for you guys. There's definitely communication coming up, and or maybe there was a lot of communication in the past, but there's a lot of choice for them. They have a lot of choice, and they are contemplating 9 of Wands. They are thinking a lot. They are defending themselves. 9 of Wands. They're holding their grounds right now, and I think they have a lot of choice, but they do want to make an offer to you. This is an Ace of Pentacles. This is Ace of Pentacles. There's an offer coming towards you. Maybe I think there's a new offer coming towards you, because, and yes, if you're, let's see what else we have. First, let me see what else is coming up. Give me the addition. 8 of Cups, 4 of Cups, 2 of Pentacles, and the Tower. Okay. 8 of Cups. They are moving on. The communication that they have to move on. You have to move on, I think. 4 of Cups. Yes, they don't want to invest in this. They are keeping them to themselves, and there's a lot of choice for them. Again, here we had choice, 7 of Cups, and here they are again balancing things. 2 of Pentacles. They are juggling things right now, and there's a Tower here. It shows There's something breaking here. Sorry guys. Let's see what else we can see. I think the spirits and guides are advising you. We have two cards here. King of Wands. And again, Eight of Cups, sorry. Card of moving away. We have Seven of Wands. And the Star card. You have your wish coming through. You definitely are going to get a new offer. The person you are thinking about, I don't think they are going to make a move towards you, or they don't have too much of hope regarding this. They are defending themselves, and I feel that you have someone new coming towards you. The King of Wands with a lot of stability and passion, and this is going to be your wish fulfillment. This is definitely going to be your wish fulfillment. But I think the spirits and guides are telling you not to wait for the person which you have come to this reading for. Let's see what the advice for you is. We will take the activation cards first. Okay. Elevation. You are making a conscious decision to raise your vibration of love. I think you have to elevate from this, and you have to make a conscious decision towards moving on, trying. I think there's something very beautiful coming towards you, which is telling you to not think about the past and go into the future with a new optimism. Vision. No matter what, you see the bigger picture of loving just universe. Wow. No matter what, you see the bigger picture of a loving just universe. This is the message from your universe, guys. Look at the bigger picture rather than staying in the past. You have to move on and look forward to a brighter future. There is definitely hope and a lot of love for you. There is enough love for everyone in the universe. That's what I think. Let's see what your future person, or anyone who wants to convey to you. You take my breath away. This is a message from your person. You are so beautiful. Maybe you can connect. You know someone who thinks this way about you, or maybe you have not thought exactly what they think, but now you might start thinking about them. No one makes me feel the way you do. You make them feel very special. You are worth fighting for. Yes, they want to fight for this. They want to fight for you. Yes, I pushed you away because I was scared. Take it as it resonates, guys. I think there are two situations here. You know your situation very well, and you can definitely please don't exactly go by the readings, but you have to judge your intuition, what it says. Thank you, guys. Oh, sorry. This, we have the alphabets first and the new numbers. We'll take few charms. Okay, so let's see what the alphabets are for you, group 3. U, I, Z, K, I, M and B. These are the alphabets. Hope you can see them clearly. We have 7, we have 1, 5, 4, 3, 0, 8 and 8. 2 8s. They can be your alphabet initials, date of birth, or maybe the day you met or you might meet them. We have the charms, we have the pin which is keeping you intact, keeping your connection. This is going to be a very strong connection. The rubber band, they are very flexible. We have zodiacs, Scorpio and Virgo. Maybe they're the zodiac of your person. There we have money charm. This is going to be a very abundant connection. We have the aventurine, and we have the rune of Northeast. This is need, friction and shadows. Yes, there is a shadow side to your person, and maybe you have to wait and see what happens in the future, who comes along. Keep an open mind, guys. I will always say that. Always look in. There are always options there. There are other people who love you. You just don't have to get stuck to one person. Just look at the bigger picture. That's what my advice will be for group 3. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being here. Please like, share and subscribe my reading if you like it. Thank you. I'll appreciate.